the new Envy Curved All-in-One computer, we started our redesign by considering the user and their environment and how a display interacts within that space. We were inspired by the dynamic elegance of floating glass. The challenge was maintaining the beauty of something so thin and fluid without sacrificing any of the performance and power we desired. This led us to separating all components that weren't directly powering the display itself and engineering them into the base. The result is one of the thinnest all-in-ones ever made. The 34-inch curved screen has a micro-edge border on all four sides, creating an illusion that is floating in mid-air. The visual impression is starkly beautiful, the impact immediately immersive. The result is an all-in-one product with refinement to complement any environment. We amplified performance with industry-leading Intel Core processors and sped-up data transfer with Thunderbolt technology. We engineered some exceptional capabilities into it, like the HP Privacy Camera. It tucks nicely behind the screen, and with a simple push, it displays both camera and microphone for you. It delivers a degree of privacy when the camera's not in use. And with up to 16 gigs of RAM and storage options ranging from hybrid drive to SSD, you have all the power and space you need to stream videos, game, and browse the web. With optional discrete graphics from NVIDIA and HDMI in and out, as the world's widest curved all-in-one, with an Ultra WQHD display at nearly 5 million pixels, and audio custom-tuned in collaboration with the experts at Bang & Olufsen. The new Envy is entertainment at its best. Quad HP speakers with audio dial let you adjust volume and skip songs with a touch of a finger, while passive radiators produce more bass for sound that you can feel. It's a one-of-a-kind user experience inside a device with a real sense of its surroundings. The new HP Envy Curved All-in-One reinvents how form embraces performance, empowering its user and advancing the modern home.
There's always too much to do at home, so get a helping hand from Acer's Aspire Z24 all-in-one computer. 2 digital assistants are ready to help you. With Far-Field technology and 4 digital mics, you can give instructions from anywhere in the room. Get help with homework, look up recipes, and check your to-do list wherever you are. When it's time to get hands-on, it's a pleasure to interact with the borderless 10-point touchscreen. Effortlessly switch between apps with ease. The Full HD IPS screen gives you perfect color and brightness for watching movies or creating perfect photo memories from any angle. Acer's eye-protecting technologies mean you can enjoy these incredible colors and comfort. These great features make the Z24 a perfect home computer. There's no limit to what a family can do, working separately or coming together.
Accomplish more with productivity-enhancing accessories for your Optiplex All-in-One. An additional monitor doubles your screen productivity with a complementary design. Enjoy a clutter-free workspace with a Dell wireless keyboard and mouse. Dell Pro Stereo headset brings lifelike clarity to your audio and is certified for Microsoft Skype for Business. Skip the login with simple one-touch Dell wired mouse with fingerprint reader. Easily secure ports and accessories with an AIO port cover. Fine-tune your view with a height-adjustable stand with optional DVD RW drive. Or bring everything into reach with an articulating stand. Get the most out of your Optiplex All-in-One with powerful Dell recommended accessories.